Hey everyone, welcome back to our new Arabic lesson. It's Fatima here, your favorite Arabic teacher. I'm here to teach you Arabic in an easy way. Today we're going to learn essential Arabic sentences with اشگد, which means how much, how many. So if you're interested in learning Arabic, don't forget to subscribe to your channel. Stay with me and let's start. In Arabic dialects, when we want to say how old are you to a man, we say اشگد عمرك. اشگد عمرك. اشگد how much, how many. عمرك your age. اشگد عمرك. What about to a woman? We say اشگد عمرك. اشگد عمرك. Alright. اشگد تريد. اشگد تريد. How much do you want? اشگد how much. تريد you want. We use it to a man. اشگد تريد. اشگد عندك. اشگد عندك. How much do you have? اشگد how much, how many. عندك you have. We use it to a man. What about to a woman? You tell me in comment section. اشگد الحساب. اشگد الحساب. How much is the bill? اشگد how much. الحساب the bill. Guys, as I told you before, whenever you see al, it means the. Al, the, حساب, bill. الحساب the bill. اشگد الحساب. اشگد هذا. اشگد هذا. How much is this? اشگد how much. هذا this. اشگد هذا. Now we want to say how much does it cost. We say اشگد سعره. اشگد سعره. سعره. اشگد سعره. اشگد تحب هذا. اشگد تحب هذا. How much do you like this? اشگد how much. تحب you like. هذا this. اشگد تحب هذا. Guys, be careful. In Arabic, when we want to say how far is it, we say اشگد بعيد. اشگد بعيد. بعيد here means far. اشگد بعيد. اشگد يوم. اشگد يوم. How many days? اشگد here means how many. يوم day. اشگد يوم. How many days? اشگد باقي. اشگد باقي. How much is left? اشگد how much. باقي left. اشگد باقي. How much is left? Guys, be careful. اشگد means how much and how many. But in Arabic, when we want to say what time is it, we say اشگد الوقت. اشگد الوقت. وقت in Arabic means time. اشگد الوقت. اشگد تحتاج. اشگد تحتاج. How much do you need? اشگد how much, how many. تحتاج you need. اشگد تحتاج. اشگد تقرأ كل يوم. اشگد تقرأ كل يوم. How much do you read every day? اشگد how much. تقرأ you read. كل every. يوم day. كل يوم every day. اشگد تقرأ كل يوم. Okay guys, our lesson has finished. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about this lesson, please ask me in comment section. I'm gonna answer all of your questions. Bye.